What the hell? Why won't this open? Look at all that stuck in there.
Don't kick it. Hold on. It's the track, not the door.
Whoa. That was all in there?
Okay, now it's clean.
Okay. That's better.
No, because this is the type of thing every house needs, especially if mom is the one who always ends up doing the deep cleaning. Look at it, hit that fence grime, that trash can buildup, then move right into the kitchen mess, the washer seal, and even that little tool tray without all that harsh spray and non-stop scrubbing. That is exactly why steam cleaning makes so much more sense. It's faster, easier on her hands, and way less annoying than the old way of spraying, wiping, and still not getting everything clean the first time. And if she's already doing enough around the house, why not get her something that actually takes work off her plate? Add this to cart now.
So if it's still in stock, I'll try to put the link below for you.